Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Speak English channel.
Hello, it's great to see you.
So, Paul, look around. The shops are full of pink and red. There are hearts on every coffee cup.
Oh, I know where this is going. It's almost Valentine's Day.
It is. And, every year around this time, I get so many messages from our learners. They say things like, my colleague asked me about Valentine's Day and I didn't know what to say. Or, how do I talk about my plans? Or even just, how do I describe how I feel about this day?
Exactly. It can feel like a tricky topic. You might feel excited or romantic or maybe a bit stressed or even like you just want it to be a normal Wednesday.
All of those feelings are completely okay. And today, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. We're having a relaxed conversation about Valentine's Day, and we're going to practice the simple, real English you can use to talk about it.
No complicated grammar, no scary words, just friendly, natural English. Whether you love Valentine's Day, hate it, or don't care at all, this conversation is for you.
So please make yourself comfortable, grab a notebook if you want, and let's get started.
So, Emily, let's start with the big question. Why does Valentine's Day feel so complicated for so many people?
I think it's because it's all about love, and love makes people feel so many different things: joy, excitement, but sometimes pressure or loneliness if you're single.
That's true. There's a lot of expectation. You see all these perfect romantic images everywhere.
Right. So let's start simple. How to talk about your feelings. You can use the simplest sentence: Valentine's Day makes me feel, and then add your feeling: happy, excited, stressed, lonely, relaxed. It's a very clear and useful structure.
Perfect. So, Emily, how do you usually feel on Valentine's Day?
I usually feel pretty relaxed. I don't take it too seriously. For me, a small dinner or just a nice walk is enough. How about you, Paul?
For me, it depends on the year. Some years I feel romantic. Some years I feel a bit tired of all the pink. You can also say something like, I don't really care about Valentine's Day. That's a very common and honest thing to say.
That's a great phrase. I don't really care about it. It's neutral, not too negative. So if someone asks you, do you like Valentine's Day? You have easy answers. Yes, I do. Or a little. Or not really. Or I don't really care about it. See? Simple, but it says exactly what you mean.
Let's talk about that feeling of pressure, because it's very real for a lot of people.
Oh, the pressure to be romantic, to buy the perfect gift, to have the perfect date.
Yes, you can say there's so much pressure to make the day special, or it feels a bit stressful, or you can balance it. It's a nice idea, but it can be stressful. That sounds very natural.
Okay, now let's get practical. One of the most common questions you might hear is, what are you doing on Valentine's Day? Or, do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
And you don't need a fancy answer. The key is to keep it simple and true. Let's practice a few answers together. Ready?
Ready.
I'm going out for dinner.
I'm just staying home.
I'm having a quiet night with my family.
I don't have any special plans.
I haven't decided yet.
Those are all perfect. No drama, just information. And your tone is friendly. You can smile and say, oh, not really, just resting. That's a wonderful, natural response.
And if you want to ask someone else, you can say, do you celebrate Valentine's Day? Or do you have any plans?
And they might give you one of those simple answers we just practiced. It's just friendly small talk.
Now let's talk about words to describe Valentine's Day itself. Not our feelings, but the day. Emily, what's one word for you?
I think sweet. It can be a sweet day.
Okay. Other words? Romantic is the classic one.
Cheesy is a good one. It means something is too romantic in a silly or fake way. But we can say it in a fun way. Like, that movie was so cheesy, but I loved it.
Yes. You might say a restaurant is a bit cheesy if it has too many heart decorations. Other words, commercial. That means it feels like it's all about buying things.
Overrated. That means people think it's more important than it really is. I think Valentine's Day is a bit overrated.
Or nice but busy. The restaurants are always so busy.
Let's do a very short role play using some of these words. I'll be Anna, you be Jake.
Okay.
Hey Jake, what are you doing on Valentine's Day?
Nothing special. I'm just watching a movie at home.
Oh, you don't like Valentine's Day?
Not really. It feels a bit overrated to me. What about you?
I think it's sweet. I like small things like getting flowers or chocolate.
That sounds nice.
See? A natural, easy conversation. You can try this with a friend this week. Just ask, what do you think about Valentine's Day?
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar to share your feelings. Simple English is powerful English.
Absolutely. Now, let's move on to part 2, the classic Valentine's Day problems. Because, let's be honest, things don't always go perfectly.
Oh no, here comes the real life part.
You know it, like forgetting to buy a gift. Paul, have you ever done that?
I might have, once or twice. It's one of the most common problems. You can say, I completely forgot to buy a gift, or I forgot to make a reservation.
Which leads to problem number 2. Everything is fully booked. Every restaurant, every nice cafe.
Yes, and everything is more expensive. Flowers are so expensive on Valentine's Day, or the price for dinner is double.
And sometimes, with all the pressure, small arguments happen. You can say softly, we had a small argument, or we had a little misunderstanding. It's a gentle way to say there was a small problem.
Let's do another quick role play about a common problem. I'll be Max, you be Lily.
Okay,
Lily, are you ready for our dinner tonight?
I am. Did you make the reservation, Max?
I forgot. I called, but everything is fully booked.
Oh no, Max. It's Valentine's Day.
I know, I'm sorry. How about we order pizza instead?
Fine, but next year you are in charge of planning.
Deal.
It's funny because it's so real. Everyone has a story like this. The important thing is you can talk about it in simple English.
Now let's be more positive. How do people actually celebrate? It's not all grand gestures.
Right. Some people love big surprises. Others prefer something simple. This is a great time to use prefer and would rather. For example, I prefer something simple, or I'd rather stay home than go to a busy restaurant.
Nice. I'd rather cook together than eat out. That's a lovely sentence.
Some people celebrate with friends. In many places, friends give each other chocolates or cards. You can say, I celebrate with my friends, or we're having a friend's dinner.
And some people practice self-love. I'm just going to treat myself. Maybe buy myself some nice chocolate or watch my favorite movie.
Or you can simply say, we don't really do anything special. It's just a normal day for us.
So, Emily, describe your perfect low-pressure Valentine's Day.
A quiet dinner at home, some good music, and maybe a walk after. Very peaceful. Yours?
Pizza, a great movie, and no traffic anywhere. Very realistic.
Let's get our listeners to practice those comparison phrases. Repeat after us. I prefer something simple.
I'd rather stay home.
Great. Now, talking about plans. Even if your plan is nothing, you can still talk about it. You can use might or thinking of. For example, I might watch a movie, or I'm thinking of cooking something special, or I haven't decided yet.
That last one is so useful. I haven't decided yet. It's the perfect answer when you're not sure.
Let's practice that pronunciation. The words link together softly. I haven't decided yet. Try it.
I haven't decided yet.
Good. So, what's one thing learners should remember about talking about plans, Paul?
You don't need to sound exciting. Just sound honest. I'll just rest is a perfect plan and a perfect sentence.
I love that. English is about connection, not about impressing people.
Exactly. Real life, real English. Okay, are you ready for some idioms?
I am. Let's learn a few Valentine's Day idioms you might actually hear. They're fun and will make your English sound more natural.
First one,
To be head over heels. This means to be very much in love. He's head over heels in love with her.
Next, love is in the air. This means you can feel a romantic feeling around you. With all these couples in the park, love is in the air.
Another common one, a romantic gesture. This is a small action that shows love. He made a romantic gesture by making her breakfast in bed.
And a simple one, but very common, a dinner date. It just means going out for dinner with someone you're romantically interested in. We have a dinner date tonight.
Let's practice them together. Repeat after us. Love is in the air.
Head over heels.
A romantic gesture.
A dinner date. Wonderful. And if you forget the idiom, just say it simply. Instead of head over heels, you can say, they're really in love. Simple English is still correct English.
Now, let's use this topic for something really useful, small talk. How to use Valentine's Day to start an easy, friendly conversation.
This is great for work, school, or with acquaintances. You can ask easy, open questions like, do you usually do anything for Valentine's Day? Or, is Valentine's Day a big deal in your country?
Those are excellent. They're friendly, but not too personal. Or you can say, the shops are so full of chocolate now. That's just an observation to start a chat.
Let's role play a small talk situation. I'm Mia, a coworker. You're James, a new colleague.
Okay.
Hey James, do you usually do anything special on Valentine's Day?
Not really. I usually just call my family. They always send me chocolate.
That's sweet. In my country, friends often go out for coffee together.
Oh, that sounds nice. Is it expensive?
Not really, just simple fun.
Cool. Maybe I'll try that this year.
See? Easy, cultural exchange, no pressure. Small talk is like sharing a piece of chocolate. A little bit is sweet and enough.
I like that. So, to our listeners, try asking one small Valentine's question this week. Just one.
Okay, for our final part, let's put it all together. Real conversations for different situations.
First, a conversation between coworkers at the end of the day. Hey, are you doing anything tonight for Valentine's? Nothing special, just relaxing. You? Just dinner with my partner. Oh, nice. Have a good evening. Thanks. You too.
Short, polite, friendly. Now, two friends chatting. Got any big Valentine's plans? Nope. Pizza and my favorite show. Sounds perfect to me. Yep, my kind of night.
And finally, a simple, sweet conversation between a couple. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. Thank you for the flowers. They're beautiful. You're welcome. Should we cook dinner together tonight? I'd love that.
You see? You don't need to be a poet. Real, kind words are the best.
And this is how Valentine's Day helps you practice real English. You practice talking about feelings, plans, problems, and culture. You can even write a short paragraph. Last Valentine's Day, this year I feel, I might.
Don't worry about perfect grammar. Focus on being understood. Every small step is progress.
Learning English is like love. It grows with patience and practice every single day.
That's beautiful, Paul. So let's review a few key phrases before we go. Repeat after us. I'm going out for dinner. I'd rather stay home. Everything is fully booked. Love is in the air. I haven't decided yet.
Perfect. You are ready. The next time someone asks you about Valentine's Day, you can answer with confidence and a smile.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope you feel more confident and relaxed.
If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps our channel so much.
And subscribe to the Speak English channel for more simple, friendly conversations to help you learn.
Tell us in the comments, how do you feel about Valentine's Day? We would love to read your stories.
Remember, you are doing amazingly well. Step by step, word by word, you are getting better.
From both of us here at the Speak English channel, happy Valentine's Day. Keep learning with love.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Goodbye.